Hey, this is Eric Bain, your instructor. I wanted to give you guys some information on the class here. Let's just see if I can shove that down a teeny weeny bit. Okay, you should be able to see my screen now. A few of you have reached out to me regarding some of the basics in our class. So this video, those of you who've taken courses before might not be useful for. Those of you who are curious, who are new here, I think it might be worth your while to take a gander. What you're looking at right now is your screen. This is what you should see when you come in. I'm viewing this as a student. You can see it there. So this is kind of what you should be seeing when you come into class. We have gone to great length to make this as user-friendly and intuitive as possible. So I'm showing you guys really what you're going to see. You can see right away here is on the right side my postings for the most recent article for news information here. I was also letting you guys know we have great writing resources, and I've mentioned and I've marked them over there. Okay, but I will tell you that most important here is we start here, module 1 content. So where do you go? You go right here to start. In this we have our table of contents, our syllabus is here, learning outcomes, the course materials. What do you read? You read down this. This is what tells you what to do. The first things first, introduce yourself here. I have responded to most of you guys, okay, in here. Not everybody, but most people have gotten a response from me, and I try to always be visible in here, okay. You can always go back and refresh to the screen you were at before, okay, and discussions, all right. We can click right here. Here's a discussion. I recommend you going in every day into the class discussion. Okay, check it out. Go and see who's been in there. Make your comment early on, and then look for somebody who responded, or respond to somebody else. Get involved in the discussion. Make it your effort. Here you can review it. Here's what we're talking about, and everything else. A wonderful, wonderful video on paraphrasing. You can see it's right in here, and you can play it at your leisure. You can play it right now. But all the information you need. It's a wonderful, wonderful assignment here. And you can see right on here where to click on for the discussion module. Just go ahead and do it. You can see we've got some postings by some of the students already. I've got Jennifer, Ethia, of course, yours truly. And this just shows who's made comments in here. It's really clear, you know. And it gives the dates and everything else. So you can start your own thread by pressing New Thread here. I'll just show it to you. And you can just put your information here and then just type it in. So here's the, you could say comments on discussion number 1, and then you could just write here are my comments. Yeah, easy peasy, right? I'm going to cancel that because you don't want to read my stuff, right? Or you can come in and let's check out, just because we have Jennifer in here, I'll put this up here. Module 1 discussion, all right? And it looks like I wrote back. This is what Jennifer wrote, another student here in the class. Okay, I wrote something back. Then we have Patrick who got involved here. Jennifer wrote back. You can press reply. All right, and you press reply to me if you want. I'd rather you reply, obviously, to one of your classmates, but it's real simple. Put the information in here, and then just press post. Okay, I hope this is as fun for you as it is for me. I really love the new system we've got here in the class. I find it very user-friendly. A lot of the time I just go back to, I just click backward. We want to do our case. Click on case. There's case 1. It tells the information here. We know about Warren Buffett. Pretty simple, right? There he is. The assignment is in here. The expectations. All the readings are in here. It's just wonderful, isn't it? Isn't this fantastic? Okay, I recommend, it says here, it might be helpful to you review these lists here. I recommend, if you see something like that, that you do as much possible reading as you can. Here's a buyer's article, Stanberry and Buyer's article that you need to read. All there for you. Come down to the bottom here, okay, and you can open it with a doc reader if you like. It's really to the point. We can go backward again, and then you can go back over here, and you can do your submission into the Dropbox, into Case 1 Dropbox. And there it is. I just clicked on Dropbox, and this tells you how to do it. You can view your originality report. Obviously, if it's high, you can revise it. You can paraphrase. We want you to do that here. That's the name of the game, to make sure you get better and better. I think there's a lot of options here, and you can see here, upload your file right here. You can put an audio if you want to talk about something. So there's a lot of options here in this class. But really, just, take advantage of all the wonderful options. Here you see, you can click on more. We have our online library, which you definitely want to use. You can get information out. You can look at your grades, and again, our course material, content, calendar, and of course our home page, which is where we are right now. I'll just go down here with it. You can see I have more announcements in here. It's really everything you need is here for you. You can click all. If I click all, I get everything in here. See it? Boom, every single module, right? If I click all, I get all details, learning outcomes, turn it in, all the discussions. So in activities, every single thing in this course. Isn't this great? Then you have yours truly over here. You have your SOS information. You have your due dates here, all right, and how to find an article from the videos. So I think everything is here you need. If you need more, let me know. I'm answering all the questions I possibly can, and I appreciate you reaching out to me. And I think that's all we need to say, right? We're good to go. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. I look forward to your success in the class. And appreciate all of you. You guys should get a clap on the back for doing all this hard work. Here you are in the school. You've got full-time lives and jobs. So you need to really congratulate yourselves on all your efforts. Okay, now let's see if I can go ahead and end the recording, which would be the best thing I could do right now, right? We'll be all set. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and end the recording. And I will hopefully hear from you guys as we move on in the class. Good luck and enjoy the class.